Hello everybody. So today I want to say some story. So while you are trying to download this crack file from YouTube, right? So here is a look at the title. It's so appealing, right? So Valorant hack, best hack, random six. So this all are hacks, but this doesn't work. I tried to download it yesterday and see what will happen. So what I got was a video on my channel. So this is my old account. So most of the video that I got from here is this. So I got lots of it. So they have still description and link is attached to it, so don't ever trust that. So how can you be aware of this kind of spyware is, so whenever you try to click on this link, right? So let me show you on a video, right? So this is a Fortnite private server, so it doesn't matter. So if I go down here and here is an installation link, if I just click it like this, right? So you will get into same page as that, this. So if you just try to open it, right? Let's try to open it, both of them, and let's see on first one. So in first one, what it was this this has been removed. So I got that download link from the second one. So basically they got my account. So I had two-step authentication open, and they were not able to do much damage, because they were only able to upload a video, and they try to have a copyright claim, as well as they have one, what we call this, strike on this channel, as well as on other channel too. So I have three channels from this account, so they uploaded everything on that. So what I'm trying to do over here is they have uploaded good video, so I appreciate that. And what I'm trying to do is to remove the description and put it on my channel, so I will know who claimed the video right copyright, so I can know who did that. So and then I can work through it. So I'm waiting for that. So I'm gonna put it like this. So this has been removed, so this has been violated, so they did this, so I'm gonna just remove it, right, like this. So just be careful around there. It's very messy, like to get a free stuff, it's very hard. And I mean, there are lots of misinformation flowing on. So just be careful. Just to remember, whenever you see this kind of link, just see like this. Or let me show you. So it's loading, right? Let's wait. So just remember to look at the file size. If the file size is less than 3 MB, so don't download that. Just leave it at that. So it might be 1.8 MB or 2.8 MB or 3 MB. Just leave it. And if it's over uh, so try to cross check the this file size, and then you are good to go. Thank you guys.